here we are in Bagabag Nueva Vizcaya. It's my first time. So we'll kind of check it out and see what this place is all about. So this is kind of like what, the edge of the market, right? What's that? Yeah. Yep.
A grilled chicken.
Grilled chicken.
Yeah.
A Filipino favorite, huh?
Yep.
Yep.
It's your favorite already.
Chicks to goes are everywhere.
Medicines.
Yeah, buddy.
You can turn left here. You can turn left.
Okay. Yeah. Nothing down there?
Yeah.
Not really?
We can go there later.
You can go there later, but
we have to take
yeah, we gotta go
Oh,
around
wow, look
the
at
market.
this. Yeah, pretty.
The market.
Okay.
You wanna go inside the market?
Yeah, maybe we'll do that. Hey, what's up, man? I don't know what they're saying, but
Maybe Tita no. I didn't hear them.
yeah. Oh, that happens all the time when I have this camera on. People, what they want really is for me to point the camera at them. That's what they want, and normally I do.
Sir Sagon. Here's my picture when I was in high school.
Slipper shop, toys,
Oh, yeah.
everything. Utilities.
Nice.
Meat
Family.
market.
Family
Okay.
meeting. So we are on what, the west end of town?
Titano.
South.
South?
South of the town. This is the entrance of the market.
Okay.
That side.
Wanna go in?
Yeah, you wanna go?
Yep.
Let's go.
All right.
So here's the market.
We have Christian. This is one of our tour guides here, and then my lovely wife, Eden. So she hasn't been here in a while, so we'll see how this one goes here. Hey, let's see the market. Hey, what's that?
2.8 sir.
2.8. 2.8.
2.3 na lang sir.
2.3 what?
Quality.
Oh yeah? You selling tables today, huh?
Oh.
I don't know if we need a table. Oh, better be careful. Yeah. Want me to try? No. I'll crush it.
Here's some fruits.
I weigh 200 plus. I'll freaking smash that thing.
Actually, they're bargaining.
Yeah, so this is the market here in Bagabag. Smells really good.
Yummy fruit.
Yeah, it smells awesome. What's that, mangoes I smell?
Yes, mango, banana.
Man, that smells really good. All these fruits look wonderful.
Watermelon.
Pakwan.
Yeah, one.
Yeah.
Some slippers.
Yeah.
Gadgets.
So that's going back out to the road? What's over here? Where?
They already closed, but we
Ah, all right.
Go by and turn left.
We going back to see the table guy again?
Yes.
Oh no, he's gonna try to sell me a table.
Yeah.
I don't need a table. God, it smells good. And I have a face mask on, and I can still smell it.
It's scary if you cannot smell that.
Yeah, yeah.
That's a very scary.
Yep. So where's the wet market?
over there, but they are closing.
Oh, we got here too late. Okay. You come to a town, you can't say you've been to a town until you've visited their market. That's what defines the character of a town, is the market. If the market's no good, then there's something wrong with the town.
They sell
This-
vegetables here.
And this one looks really nice. Very neat, smells good. It's clean. A lot of times you don't see that.
But if you
Yeah. What's that?
they're over there, so at market.
So that's the last market.
Okay.
You can see already there. And you can smell the meats.
Yeah, I'm starting to smell that.
You can start. The smell is for
So
us.
there.
They're coming after you now.
Yeah, everything looks great.
This is why they do.
Everything's farm fresh, huh?
This is the wet market.
Can we walk around it or no?
Only if you are open.
Hmm?
Only if you are open.
Okay. Well, if they're not open, we'll just.
There are more for open.
But that's small. We don't need to go dipping in there too deep. We'll just kind of walk around it and then
Now we're at the back side.
call it good. This is the backside here. Okay.
Even when I was young,
Yeah. Oh,
this
excuse.
is part of the wet market.
Hello, sir.
Selling fish.
Yeah. Nice.
For vlogging lang po.
Yep.
And then we can go
So
up
cool.
here. We're going to the church.
Over that way?
Yeah, this way.
All right.
Let's go to the church.
Okay. Let's go check out the church.
Back part and church.
Yeah, the
Okay.
Catholic church.
So we're kind of like on the back street?
Yes.
Back street, kind of like the hidden part of town?
From the market and then going to the
Hidden
Okay.
from the main road.
Yeah, let's explore. Let's see what's going on back here. Let's see what kind of secrets we have in Bagabag. Secret roads.
Kasama mo ba sa Karayan?
Hindi na daw tayo pupunta sa Carayan.
Saan na pupunta
Doon na
na?
lang daw kila Anti-Venus.
Eh? There's a goat.
Really good.
Out walking the goats?
Yeah.
This is the gymnasium. We will check.
Ah,
We will pass through later when we go to the other side.
around the
But
front, you mean?
we have to go inside first. If the church is open, the gate is open.
Oh, yeah?
This is the high school, St. Jerome's Academy.
So this is where you grew up.
Yeah, this is where we go.
Nice little area. I like this town.
But the gate is closed.
Ah. Well, here, let's just stick our noses up against the gate and see what's in there.
See that bridge there?
Yeah, the brick, the bell tower over there.
Where?
Yeah, over there. This side.
Oh, wow.
It's like a ruin.
So we're talking very old.
Yes.
I'll be, what the heck, look at that. Yeah, I can see it from here.
When I was in kindergarten, my classroom is behind the church.
Really?
Yeah.
How about
and
that?
then Ate Fidela is studying here, high school.
I'll be damned.
Yeah.
Well, they'll see this video. Hi, Ate Fidela. Hope you're enjoying this video.
I was kindergarten and she was, I think, second.
Really? Really nice.
And she's the one bringing me to school and picking me up.
Here?
Yeah.
In what grade were you again?
Kindergarten.
Kindergarten.
Yeah,
Jeez.
she's the one picking me up, sending me to school.
So that's over 40 years ago.
Yeah.
So the gate is
And then this is our
the gate is open.
This is municipal.
open. You can go inside.
But it's a school.
Oh, this is going to turn out to be a long video. I'll try to
This is
edit it.
St. Jerome's Academy.
Oh, okay.
Pwedeng pumasok lang. Sige lang. Thank you.
I'll be.
This is where Kuya Fred, Kuya Willie, Ate Fidela, and the
Okay.
rest graduated. But me and Nanette, Kuya Noli, Kuya Claudio and the other school. But now it's already closed because somebody commits suicide in that school.
Where?
In the other side. It's
Oh,
probably-
goodness. So this is a, okay, hold on. Is this a private school or a public?
Private.
I would think private if it's,
School. Even
yep.
Even France, Mark Joseph, Joshua, they
Okay.
are all graduated here. And
Really?
this is the bell.
Look at that. God, we could have made this a separate video, guys. Can you go in here?
I don't know, Han. Be careful.
Well, it's a bell tower. Yeah, well, it's open. They don't have no sign saying. Okay, so a bell tower. Oh. It's just a very old. How big?
I don't know how old this ruin was. This bell tower.
It feels old. It smells old. They got vines growing up on the walls there.
Yeah.
That's pretty crazy. Wow, piece of history here, guys. Definitely. Obviously, nobody's even considered tearing this down because it's got some historical value, that's for sure. Historical significance of some sort. Yeah.
Even those trees, Han, they are century-old trees already.
These guys here?
Yeah, here also. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm coming around here. I'm kind of digging this old. That's pretty wild. Yeah. Yep. I figure if something's older than me, then it's old.
Yeah.
I think my tita said it's been here since my grandpa
Patang.
Kapang
Really?
was going to.
Old bell tower. So I wonder if that means the church. Well, look at this guy over here. What we got here?
Those are administration there.
Well, I mean the building, the brick structure there.
Oh, this one is old.
I was just gonna say that
And
looks.
this tree century old already. These trees, acacia tree.
Yep.
Acacia tree.
Well, you can make some nice cutting boards out of that. That's beauty.
I think this bell tower since Bataan Siege. What do you
Kinda.
think?
Oh, I bet. Yeah. You know it. You know it's been here way before that.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Same here.
Yep.
Because of the structure,
Yep.
the bricks.
Absolutely. That's why I like just coming out here and just seeing what we can discover. You want to snoop and poop around there a little bit, or? So these are the classrooms over here.
Yeah.
Want to show us your kindergarten? Want to show us your kindergarten class
I
again?
don't know if it's still there, the old building. This is the church.
This is the church.
This is the place where me and Kuya Willie took the photo in this side.
What photos?
During Kuya Claudia's wedding.
Oh.
Mom, me, and
Is this
Kuya
where they got married?
Yeah, this place.
Oh, I thought they got married out at the hotel.
No,
Ah.
the reception is in Palaisdan.
Sure. So this is where they got married. Wow.
This is where we're gonna bring Mom on Wednesday.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So this is the family church.
Yeah.
What we're standing here in front of.
Yeah.
So, I think a bell tower. Another
This
bell
is now
tower.
the bell tower, the new bell tower.
This- the new old bell tower.
This one.
Huh.
Yeah, before that is the building, but the building before is not like that. The structure is not like that. But in that place, that is where I study.
So you spent time out in this playground
Yeah.
playing?
Yeah, we have
As a young girl?
swing, we have swing, we have seesaw, but
Really?
the ground is not concrete before. It's a rough.
Okay, like gravel, dirt.
Yeah. That-
Huh.
This is the memories of my kindergarten days.
Yeah, it's nice to visit these locations. Cool. Oh,
Ano?
The whole gang.
Yeah, whole gang of immersion
The whole
training.
gang of people everywhere. Hello, hello.
Young ladies from Nueva
Yeah. Hello, hello, hello.
Ako na mag-open na hatchery. That is our sport. Ah, sige. Nakikita mo ba ito?
This is our new Bagabag building. Municipal. We can go inside.
Oh, is there anything?
Yeah, we can go inside.
Is there anything cool here, or just?
Yeah.
All right. Let's take a peek.
This is our new municipal building.
This is the new municipal building of Bagabag.
Yeah.
Where's the old one?
Bagabag. They tore out.
Oh, it was here at the same location?
Old, yeah.
Okay.
Same location.
Well, there you have it.
But the water tank over there is still the same when I was here.
Oh, hold on, let me turn back around here. Where?
Over there. That's
See, Christian knows.
That water tank over there.
In the back there. Yep.
Yeah, that is the old one.
I gotcha. All right. Continue marching. Oh, hold on, we're not done yet. What is it?
This is a whole part of a municipal building.
Okay.
Yeah. Police station is, I think it was inside. This building is open before and smaller. Now we
The
have
old building?
Yeah, we have public library inside.
Oh,
And
okay.
then this is the whole. Some they put lightnings at night here.
Nice.
That's why
So-
it's all bright here at night.
So it's kind of like City Hall. So a lot of the public offices are
Yeah,
here.
yeah.
City Hall, library, maybe a police station. Maybe, I don't know.
And this is
Public Works.
Before when I was young, this is open, no plants and everything. And then they
Oh,
put
yeah.
they put if there's a festival here in Bagabag, they put all the games over here.
They have a fountain.
Yeah, now that there's a fountain already and park.
How nice is that? Cool. Well, there you have it, the new Municipal Hall.
Yeah, Municipal Hall of Bagabag.
Awesome. Okay, so now we're making our way from the opposite end of where we started this video. Other end of town, out on the main drag. So we'll approach it from this angle, see what we got. Once again, we are in Bagabag Nueva Vizcaya. Town proper. Town proper.
That's a nice sound of a motorcycle.
You like that, huh? Sounds like a bull. Buell. That's it. I know it's not. Sounds like a V-twin.
It's getting dark.
Yep, sun's going down quick. So what do we got over here on the right?
This one?
Yeah.
The street where we've been just now.
I'm in this building.
That is a house.
Oh. All right.
This is the old gas station before.
This here?
Yes.
It's a
No
car
longer.
park now.
Yeah, I see that.
It's a car park now.
Old gas station. Yep. Looks like an old gas station to me.
Yeah,
Look at the hills out in the background. Isn't that just that's awesome. That's really nice.
you can see sun right here. Actually.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's like a sunset going up.
Okay.
But it's early in the morning only.
Yeah.
Before 5 a.m. you can wake that up early. We can show it to you.
Look at the old building. They're slowly disappearing, aren't they?
Yeah.
The old traditional buildings.
We can see most of them are old stones, no more old.
Yeah, it's too bad. Those are really nice. They're all being replaced with concrete now. Yep. Huh?
I never thought that there's a video already. Video.
Huh. They never had a BDO in this town?
This is the Methodist Church here in Bagabag.
Methodist Church?
Yeah. That one is before is a grocery, that building.
Which one?
A grocery store, that building.
The one with the Tide Mr. Clean on the top?
Yeah.
It's an old grocery store?
Yeah.
Pet store, pharmacy. Cebuana, another old building. And I think we're kind of right back.
This is where we start. And you have to take that building name.
Which one?
That building name, Pamilihang Bayan ng Bagabag.
Which one are you looking at, hon?
Public market.
Oh, yeah, okay. So this is called
Bagabag Public Market.
Public market.
yep. All right. Familia. Oh boy, how do we do this one? Pamilihang
Bayan. ng
Bayan.
Bagabag. Ng Bagabag.
Bagabag. Basically, it's the market.
Bagabag Public Market.
In a nutshell, the market. And Waco's restaurant, right? We had some food there last night. It wasn't too bad. I like the atmosphere inside. It's really cool. So
Pineapple.
Pineapple. Fresh from the farm.
Yeah. It's very fresh from the farm.
good stuff, huh?
Fresh from the farm.
Did we go down there yet?
Yes, we already go there.
We're already there.
Did we walk down there?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay naman.
Huh?
We've been there already.
With the camera?
Yes.
All right, I think we're just about done, huh?
Careful.
All right. Anyways, there's our little walk and talk tour of Bagabag Nueva Vizcaya. My first time here, not hers. She grew up here. Yeah. Hers. There we go. Got the camera facing right.
It's my hometown.
It's her hometown. She grew up here, so she's got plenty of experience in this area, not me.
Memories.
This is my first time, and memories. And then we have Christian. He was born in Manila, weren't you?
Yeah.
You were born in Manila, weren't you, Christian?
Yep.
So, but your family's from here.
Yeah.
So you're kind of like a native. So anyways, thanks for watching. We really appreciate it. And until next time, take care of yourselves. God bless. We love you. And we'll talk to you soon. All right. Bye-bye.